Making easy money online is the dream of every person all over the world. Methods like clicking have a lot of fans, although the income of these methods is not high. Many people are interested in working with these sites. In today's video, we will introduce the great sites to earn money online. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Short.st is another most popular URL shorting company, and it will give you $2 per 1,000 views for promoting shortened URL, and the minimum in cash out is $5. If you are not satisfied with payout, then you can earn money from referral system. It will give you 2,000% commission on referrals. Short.st is a user friendly and you can securely get your payment through PayPal and Pioneer. It has a good payout rates and it is a good platform to earn money on short links. Besides this, Short.st have also affiliate program. It gives you great ads format and you can promote on your blog or website. One of the best sources of traffic to get a lot of clicks in using games forums. First, you have to register on these sites, and after being active in the discussion forums, offer your link to the users. Sending links quickly in these forums will block your account. Thank you for being with me during today's training. If you have any question, ask in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.